We're here again tonight to celebrate the best of the best. And this time, we're celebrating the best of Q1. And I think first of all, I want to give everybody applause for the great way everybody dressed up and is looking. Bravo!
Awe nos tema pa evento ta Greece. E pelicula Tangusta, di tempo di 1950. Nós decidimos vir com um tema que está super leuk. Nós associado na by all out com ang outfit e a nós também. Awe nós está tendo nos first quarter event para 2026. Mas aqui está nos All-Star Team, Associate, Manager e Supervisor que está nominado para o kwartaal. Essa aqui tem momento onde nos líder não por nominar asociado, supervisor ou manager man mencionar que abay above and beyond e a mostra que não está team player na go above and beyond para a propriedade, para o departamento, para diferentes razões e awet nós também celebrar.
Their proactive leadership, solution-oriented mindset, and ongoing contributions to major initiatives like Corona's implementation make them a highly valued and reliable manager. Mashallah, bien, Patricia! Congratulations! Leading 2 major outlets. In Q1, their team achieved amazing sales exceeding budget by $118,000, outperforming Q1 2025. Masha bien, Maria Jo! His or her positive attitude, hands-on support, and natural leadership inspire the team and keep morale high. Masha bien, Sanjay! Taking full ownership, they manage responsibilities seamlessly and demonstrated remarkable growth, proving that true leadership comes through action. Masha bien, Micheline! Consistently demonstrates strong work ethic, attention to detail, and passion for guest experience, contributing to a 92% audit score and embodying true hospitality every day. Congratulations, Constancio! Despite personal loss, they showed resilience and dedication, guiding the team with care and initiative. Masha bien, Carmen! Reliable, proactive, and a true team player, they are highly deserving of this recognition. Masha bien, James Toro, the marketplace. Balancing dual roles with accuracy and resilience, they maintain deadlines and stability. Their adaptability, teamwork, and positive attitude made a significant impact, making them highly deserving of this recognition. Masha bien pa Andrea! Andrea, gracias por el hotel. Esta aquí si Patricia, lo portuma.
Ganadonan di AWE, mas bien, também participar para o All-Star Event fim de ano. Desture ganadonan di AWE, não também participar para Associate of the Year, Supervisor of the Year, of Manager of the Year. Cada ganador, cada nominado haya regalo também junto com certificado e o ganador ng dia noche haya 500 florin riba ng balance de pago e também placa. Essa aqui é boa maneira para motivar o time, não somente unang kutawak, unang kawardo nominar, pero também unang nominar haya maneira gana para assim mostrar su teammates nang ku if you do go above and beyond, you do get rewarded.